Famed for its architecture and charming Old Town, Riga is a true gem. We took to the alleyways to check out the Latvian capital's famous sights, from the house of wild parties and the first Christmas tree to a controversial cat house. Stay tuned till the end to find out how we fared trying Riga's famous black balsam at the Black Magic Bar.
Good morning, everyone, from our second Baltic country. We are in Riga, Latvia.
Today we're going to be taking you on a walking tour of Riga's Old Town.
As you can see, we're all bundled up in warm clothes.
It's freezing!
It is a cold day, but we're excited. Just on first impressions, it's a very cute medieval looking town.
Our first stop is going to be in front of the House of the Blackheads. It is a really cool building.
The House of the Blackheads is basically what a Latvian frat house was back in the day.
Because the city of Riga is located on the Baltic Sea, there are lots of sailors that would come here, and they had lots of money. So they built this really cool building to have their parties, to have their meetings. Legend has it that maybe this was the place where the Christmas tree was invented. I think another Baltic area claims that, but I think the House of the Blackheads claims to have had the first Christmas tree. Look, it says right here, the first Christmas tree in Riga.
So your facts are correct then. So now the House of the Blackheads is actually a museum. However, we can't go inside because it's shut today, which is quite unfortunate.
Right behind me is St. Peter's Church with the bell tower that you can climb to the top, and you can get good views of Riga.
Oh, she's got her list out. Facts are coming our way. We just walked behind the St. Peter's Basilica Church and came across this very unique statue.
Yeah, it's called the Bremen Town Musicians, and I believe it was a gift from Bremen, Germany, and it's based on the Brothers Grimm fairy tale, and it's 4 different animals. So there's the donkey, the dog, the cat, and the rooster. And you're supposed to rub their noses for good luck.
Alright, go for it then. So that's... Are you rubbing it though? You're
Nope,
not rubbing it.
I'm not rubbing it.
Are you supposed to get good luck then?
I don't
You're not gonna get COVID.
It's not
Do
COVID.
it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
I can't reach.
Yes, you can.
I can reach the dog, but I can't reach the cat.
Try
Let
and
me
reach the cat. Jump.
I have Chloe in tow. Hold on.
Okay, give me Chloe then.
Hold on, let me try.
The excuse is coming out of her today.
2, 3. Oh, I did it. There's no way I can reach the rooster. Absolutely no way.
Okay, you see I'm touching it?
Donkey?
So look, this is the cow. Donkey.
No.
That.
It's a donkey, a dog, a cat, and
Oh,
then
okay.
a rooster.
So donkey,
Yeah.
dog,
Uh-huh.
cat.
Get the rooster. You can
Oh,
do it.
no.
You can do it. You can do it.
Oh no.
Good try, good try.
My career in the NBA was short-lived.
Chloe, do you want to try?
Riga's Freedom Monument honors those killed during the Latvian War of Independence. At the top of the monument is a copper figure of liberty holding 3 stars. Around the base of the monument, the guards march around during their watch.
Riga has a bunch of very sweet, cute, quaint buildings, but I think we have found the most extra one of them all. And I'm not really sure what it is. It looks like a restaurant, but it's got a beautiful decoration outside.
So this building right here is called the Powder Tower, and I think it was part of the defense wall and maybe held the ammunition. Alright, this yellow building behind us is simply called the Cat House. And there are two cats on the roof. They're looking down at everyone. And legend has it that the owner of this house wanted to get into one of the guilds. He was refused entry, so he put the cats up there. And at one time their back ends were facing the guild that he wanted to get into. I'm not sure if this is true or not, but eventually he did get in, and so he turned the position of the cats.
The 1950s code, and they want the word backends back on.
Another cool thing about Riga is that there are lots of buildings that are very, very intricately detailed, decorated. It's called Art Nouveau. They have lots of nature depictions and people's faces and curvy lines. So anyway, the buildings are really cool to check out. We're coming up to the Swedish Gate, and this is the entranceway into the medieval buildings, medieval cobblestone vibe from, I guess, like maybe the 1600s?
Riga reminds me of a much more compact Vilnius. It's very cute. It's got beautiful buildings everywhere. If you look at the buildings, they have a lot of intricate details, as Holly was talking about earlier. It's getting to that time of day when we are both getting hungry and cranky, so it's time for lunch. Unfortunately, the restaurant that we were planning to go, Lido, does not allow dogs. Instead, we've come to another restaurant called the Key to Riga, and it looks pretty old school.
It feels like we're in a medieval castle, doesn't it? Like
Bieber's Castle?
no, a medieval.
Oh, medieval's castle. Oh yeah. Like a tavern, yeah.
Yeah, like I don't
Are
know.
those actual cowhides?
I don't know. It's really cool. Chloe, do you like it? She
Chloe.
said just get her a pint.
Chloe's feeling a bit sore after the armadillo incident.
She said they got me again. She said the bulldog statue in Amsterdam and then the armadillo in Riga. She said fool me once, fool me twice.
Okay, we have just placed our order and we got some beer. I haven't had Latvian beer as yet, and this place specializes in local brews, so I'm excited to see how it is. It is called Mez Pils. It's good. It's got a strong first taste, but then it dies down. Really, really nice. Our waitress just told us it's not Mez Pils, it's Mesh. So the Z with the thing at the top is a sh sound.
So the dish that I ordered here is gray peas with speck, and it's a dish that is perfect for winter time because it's a comfort food. It is from Latvia, so it wasn't borrowed from any other place, and the people of Latvia a long time ago were peasants that basically had a vegetarian diet with very small amounts of meat. So the speck is from pork belly, and they just sprinkle a little bit on top of it. So the gray peas are like chickpeas, I believe. So I'm really excited to try this because I like chickpeas and I like bacon.
I, on the other hand, got a chicken salad.
The gray peas do taste like chickpeas. The bacon gives it a real smoky flavor. And then the sour cream, I mean, everything is good with sour cream. I like it.
This place, Key to Riga, has a very cool theme. As you can see, it's got a very medieval tavern vibe. But the thing, what I really like the most is they've got lock and keys everywhere, and they gave the bill in this lock, which is pretty cool. Look at that. It's actually made out of pure cast iron, so it's actually pretty heavy. Lunch was awesome. We're going to continue our tour with Riga. The first thing we're going to do is see the Three Brothers house. Fortunately, it's not too far away, and it's one of the main sites to see in Riga.
Yeah, so the Three Brothers house is basically three houses right next to each other, and they are houses from different time periods.
We're standing outside the Three Brothers houses, and I'm failing to recognize the hype. Like, They look like cool houses, but it looks like any other building in Riga.
Our last stop of the day is at the Black Magic Bar. We've been told that when you are in Latvia, you have to try the Black Balsam. So we are gonna go there. Not sure how we're gonna try it yet. I've heard you can have it in coffee. You could have just a shot of it by itself. You can get it mixed with black currant juice. So I'm interested to taste it. Now that we're inside of the Black Magic Bar, it feels magical. We're gonna try 2 different types of black balsam.
So it turns out black balsam is used as a form of medicine for headaches, blood pressure, and general goodness. So
General goodness, huh?
that's the least we can expect from these shots. I'm feeling quite apprehensive right now that the shots are here. So we decided to get 2 shots. One is the original and one has blackcurrant, and then we just asked her to divide them. And without further ado, let's go. So I'm not sure which one is which. Holly was doing the methodical approach and said I should smell them, but I think I want to go the alleyway and just knock them back.
Okay.
Salud.
What was that one, you think?
That was the original.
Really?
Yeah,
Chloe said, "Come on, it can't be like that."
it is.
Tell us what you're feeling. What does it taste like?
Regret. Oof, my insides are burning. I'm not even gonna lie, that is.
She said to sip it. She said don't take it all in one shot. You didn't listen.
Did she?
Yes.
My insides are burning. Yeah, that is a fiery Sambuca shot.
It's 45% alcohol.
Good aspect of it is I feel incredibly warm, almost instantaneously. It's not, it's like a nice warm. And now for the blackcurrant.
Why don't you sip this one instead?
No, because that's just gonna prolong the.
Okay, go for it then. I can't with you. Calm down. You are so dramatic. You are the most dramatic person I've ever seen. So was that the original?
That was the original. Oh my god. Every now and then you get a little retch.
She said it's like a medicine.
Yeah, it's definitely medicinal. I'm gonna try and find the positive and say it has warmed me up, but I'm not gonna have it again.
Okay.
I'm glad that I did it,
I'm glad you tried it at least.
but no.
Stop.
I've got the burps. I'm not even trying, but I've got the burps and. Oh. Got excessive saliva in my mouth.
We'll try the cherry truffle that has the black balsam inside of it. It's good. It's really good. Tastes like dark chocolate.
That's nice.
Like cherries and chocolate. It's really good.
Cherries and chocolate. It's time for Holly to take the shots, but she's probably gonna do it in a slow, methodical sip. It's gonna take away the fun for me.
So I'm gonna listen to the lady because she works here and she knows what to do, and she said sip it. So I'm not gonna do what Allie did. It's really strong. I don't know if that was the original or not. Let me try this one. I think this has the blackcurrant juice in it because it's less strong. But immediately you feel it going through your body. I actually like the taste of it. I don't think it tastes bad. It's really good in the chocolate, and I can imagine it would be really good if you put it in like coffee or something. But just taking a full shot of it is probably not a good idea.
Don't do it how Allie did it.
I would agree with that statement as well.
Yeah, I really don't mind it though. I'm serious. It's not something that I would want to drink, but it doesn't even taste as bad as medicine. Overall, I didn't mind the taste. I was worried that it would taste like black licorice, and I don't like the way black licorice tastes.
Riga is a very cool, underrated city, and it's something that you should definitely check out.
Yeah, just walking around, the buildings are really beautiful, and you definitely have to try the black balsam if you're in Riga.
Yeah, and drink it slowly.
Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We have new videos coming out on Tuesdays and Fridays, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and get your one-way ticket with us. Famed for its architecture and charming Old Town, Riga is a true gem. We took to the alleyways to check out the Latvian capital's famous sights, from the House of Wild Parties and the first Christmas tree to a controversial cat house. Stay tuned till the end.